Hello student, subject maths from class first, topic name is introduction of table. As students first time, how do we learn the table? That all the way I am going to tell you today in this video. And how you can easily learn the table, that is also you will find out in this video. Student, in the first class we introduced the table with the repeated addition. With the help of repeated addition, we'll find out the tables. So let's begin. First I'll tell you, this is the symbol of multiplication. Class, this is the symbol of multiplication. And now we are going to find out the first table of 2 with the help of repeated addition. So what is repeated addition? When we add the same numbers again and again, that is called repeated addition. Let's take example. See, there are so many balloons. Every balloon I divided each of group with the two balloons. So let's count the balloon. In first balloon there are 2 balloons in one group. So this is the number of 2. Then 2 group. In each group has 2 balloon. So how many balloons are here? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons. Then come to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 3 groups. How many balloons are in each group? 2 balloons. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th balloon. Class, end of this picture, you will find out the table of 2. So these are the how many balloons? 8 balloons. In each group, these are how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balloon in each group. Now there is the 12, total of 12 balloons. There is 2 balloon in each group. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there is the how many balloons? 14 balloons. In each group there are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 balloons. Now come to the next balloon. These all are total 16 balloon. In 16 balloon there are the 2 pairs of each group balloons. Now come to the next one. There are the how many balloons? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 9. 17, 18 group. How many? 18 balloons. Okay. So 18 balloon in each 2 groups. Now come to the last one. There is also 20 balloons. In each group there is the 2 balloon. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We find out the all total addition number, and these all are the table of 2. So how did we get this? We got this with the help of addition. Now let's take another example. Class, these are the repeated addition with the multiplication. So there is the addition method also, and how we can change the long addition method in the short way, that is in the multiplication. So let's start. See, there is the one group. In one group there is the 2 balloon. So in 2 balls, I wrote here 2. Then which is the symbol of? This is the symbol of multiplication. And how many groups are here? 1 group. So 1 equal to 2 ones are 2. Let's come to the another one. Which numbers come after 1? 2. So there is the 2 box. So in each box, as we are doing the table of 2, so each box we put 2 balls here. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. So when we do the repeated addition, so how do we write it? Like this. We write it first 2 here, then plus 2 equal how many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Now we need to change this repeated addition into the multiplication. Now how we do that? See, listen to me carefully. We are doing the table of 2. In each group there are the 2 balls. So we write the 2 here. then would put the symbol of multiplication here. And how many groups are here? 1, 2. So we put the 2 here. Equal. The same answer will get here also. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So it's called 2. 2's are 4. Now come to the third one. After 2, which number comes? 3. So make a 3 box like this. Okay, as we doing the table of 2. So in each box we put the 2 balls. Okay, so how do we add this? We'll count the first 2 balls here, then we write here, then put plus here, then again 2 here, then 2 here. So how many balls are here? For addition you need to count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now we need to convert this repeated addition into the multiplication class. Okay, so how we do that? As we doing the table of 2, and each group also we have a same balls, 2 balls, so we write the 2 here, then we put the symbol of multiplication here. And how many groups are here? 1, 2, 3. So we put here equal. The same number comes here, that which got in the addition. This number we got after the adding the all 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So the 2 3's are 6. Same number we put here. Now come to the next one. As there is a 3 box, now we will draw the 4 box here. So how we'll write it when we doing the plus? We'll write 2, then plus 2, then plus 2, then plus 2. So what is the sum of these all balls? For that we have to count it. So that is 8. And how we change this addition, repeated addition, in the short form of the multiplication? As we are doing the table of 2, and each boxes we have a 2 balls, so we put here 2. And how many groups are here? 1, 2. How many box groups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put here 4 equal. The answer will be get same which we got in the addition, sum of the addition, that is 8. So we put the 8 here. So same thing goes with this also, class. You need to draw the 5 box here, then 2, 2, 2. You have to plus the all 2's here. The answer would be 10. You have to change this repeated addition into the multiplication. 2, as we are doing the 2 table, multiply. How many boxes are here? 5. So 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 5's are 10. Now come to this one. Same here, 6 balls, 6 boxes in each box, so total is 12, which when we'll change it in the multiply, as we're doing the table of 2, then we'll put 6. How many boxes are 6? So the answer would be 12. So this is C. How easily we are getting the, as we know how to do this addition. Addition is a very simple method. We just need to count and write, and with the help of addition, how easily we are getting the table of 2. Okay, so there is a 7 balloon. Each boxes has 2 balloons. Now 14, total number of sum is 14. How we'll change it into the multiplication, doing 2 table of 2. So 2 put into, and then count the boxes. 7 will get the same answer. 2 7's are 14. Same goes with the 8 also. 8 boxes here. In each boxes has 2 balls. So what is the answer for sum of the all balls? 16. And we'll change it, repeated addition, into the multiplication. It's 2 multiplied by all, counts the all boxes. That's 8 box. So I will get the same answer in 16. 2 8's are 16. Now goes to the same 9. There are the 9 box. In each box there are the 2 balls. The total of the balls are 18. We'll change the seats. This is the very long method. So we can change the long method, addition method, into the short multiplication method. So we'll write 2 multiply. We'll count the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll put the 9 here. Then we'll find out the same answer, 18. 2 9's are 18. Then same goes with this also. These are the 10 balls, 10 box. Each box has 2 balls. The total number of balls 20. We'll change the addition, repeated addition, into the multiplication. That is 2 multiplied by the 10 boxes, and the answer will be 20. So class, this is how very easily you can find out the multiplication table of 2 with the help of addition. So let's read the table of 2. Let's repeat after me. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 19. 2 tens are 20. So this is the table of 2. So let's go to the take of table 3. Class, this is also same as we are going to do the table of 3. So we'll put each boxes, we'll put the 3 balls. Let's first 3 ones 3. Then next one is which number comes after 3? It's 2. So I draw 2 box, and each box you should need to put the 3 balls. So 3 plus 3 is 6. We'll change the 3. How many boxes are here? 2. Then 3 twos are 6. Same goes to the 3 box with the 3 each balls, and then equal to, what is the sum of these ball? 9. We'll change, how we'll change this? 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. Then same goes to the 4 box, 3 balls in the each box, then answer would be 12. We'll change the, as we're doing the table of 3, so we'll put 3. How many boxes are here? 4 groups are here. Then put 4 group equal to 12. This is how we can write down we can learn the table, and we can find out the table of 3 with the help of repeated addition. Same goes with this 5 box. Each box has 3 balls. So what is the total of ball? 15. How will change this repeated addition into the multiplication? As we're doing the table of 3, then 3 put multiply. How many boxes are here? 5. Then the answer would be same, 15. Same goes to the next one also. 6 boxes. Each box has 3 balls, 18. Then 3 into 16 equal to 18. Okay, and then the next one is same box, 7 boxes, and each boxes has 3 balloon. The total of boxes is 21, and 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, this is how you can find out now goes to this. These are the 8 boxes. 8 boxes has 3 balloons. The total balls are 24. So how it make it short? We'll make it 3 into 8 boxes are here, so we'll put 8. So answer would be the same. 3 eights are 24. So there are the 9 boxes. So what is the total of the sum of balls? 27. How will write it? 3, as we're doing a table of 3, into how many groups are here? 9. So we'll put 9 here. It's 27 answer. Same goes to the last one also. 3 into 10. 3 is 10 equal to 30. So let's read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 4 are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. So this is how, class, you can find out the table of 3. Class, students, try to find out the table of 4 with the help of the same repeated addition. I am sure you can do it easily. Just you need to watch this video carefully and then try out to find out the table of 4 with the help of repeated addition. So there is the 2 question for you. You can do it at your home. This is the box. Shade each second number in the below box. So just shade the second number of the box. 1, 2, shade this one. Then count from here. 1, 2, then shade this one. Then count from here. 1, 2, shade this. You will find out end of the number. You will find out the table of 2 from this box. Then last question is this is shade every third number of the below box. 1, 2, 3, shade this one. Then count from the next number. 1, 2, 3. You will end of the number. You will find out the table of 3. So I hope, class, this video gonna be very beneficial for you. Just need to watch this video carefully, and I'm sure you can easily understand how to find out the multiplication with the help of repeated addition. So student, I hope you liked the video. Very soon I'll come with the next topic, with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.